the worst is find and now I take a sick of this tank. I won't be on there to piss them. The problem of the Spanish one egg. And none of the eggs in shut me. These can't hiding. Nothing can stop me when my inkies that with this start. And for that, I fit the venue and the universe. And now the everything now was fine. Alright. Hey, follow my look, Chuck. And I look like this. The light. Yeah, you wouldn't I am the broken, and nothing can stop. And bomb. I have nothing. But why you are nothing? Because look at me. Why? You can call me Venom. I think Venom is that good. Venom. You can call me Venom. Start it. Want to. Booth? What you all like? Like this? Wait a minute. Shit. Super hot. And now, you can call me Super hot. Super hot Jake. Super hot Jake. With my standard alter X aside. Alright. Stella, what you like that? You just mean like this? It's not what I want. Everything that's what was 21%. Stella is a peasant. Why are you like that? Oh, I am mommy. Your mommy. What bomb sassy is that ever? Mommy, this is returns your mommy. And I am the coolster Y curse Y ever. Coolest Y ever. Coolest Y shadow. New guy ever. Look at I am, guys. Wow. Your look so beautiful. You can call me Ollie. You can call me Ollie. The secular cow. The spirit cow. The spirit bird, I mean. faces and I think that how what you like? I like this. Whoa! Hey, get out off! No, Red. This is a tomato. I created by myself. What? What are you? You can call me Double Beak or Howl. Yeah, Howl or two Double Beak. Alright. Bubbles? Right. Wait, you not have nothing? It's because I am the Halloween. I am from Halloween, the king of Halloween. Terrace, what do you like? Oh my god. What are you? You say you can call him Bigger Violent. Hi, Bigger Violent. Alright, we're already only breaking separate Double Beak, Bubbles, me, Venom, and you. I am Cluster, and you, Violent, Bigger Violent, and Odie. Let's go to Personal Hardware to Halloween in the Piggy Island. Are you really sure about that? It's gonna be stone or eggs is just the one. Don't worry, the eggs will save. Maybe pigs can stone us. Okay. So what are you defining? What are you making for? Let's go. I put them. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's Chubby go. A Chubby go is just a shop. This is Chubby go. It's a sign. Let's go do it. Let's go. Alright. Here's a Carvice's fan. Wait for me, Bubbles. Alright, too crocky. Okay, get to get it breaking. Alright. Come on, Odie and Mommy. Come on. It's this. Okay, I'm going to see. It's this Teddy Hop. The telling me and Fortnite. Hold it. Yeah. Oh no. Or you. You can call me Shank. Shank? Yeah, Shank. I am Shank, and I am a totally a queen of, the powerful, the started off the road. You bet that said you the third. Of course, Mr. Gale. Until turn my crown's burning. I realize I hate that crown. I'm going to put a headrest until tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Oh no, the birds! Hold on. It's okay. We're the birds, but we're not that. Just excuse me away. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, no, please. Oh. Excuse me. Chuck, we not have a time. Okay. I hate that, Chuck. Uh-oh. I am a boss. What you like? I am a totally to sit like this. This fighter is a particular power. Oh my god. Hey, at first, you can call me invincible. Purple Invincible. And you can call me Foreman Duct. And you can call me Lord Pig. Lord Pig. Hi, Lord Pig. But Chef Pigs is not here because I don't know these things. Don't worry, it's keep it too helpful. So let's move on with other guys. Hey, Gizzard, how do you look? You look sus. Alright, because I am Among Us. Yeah, Among Us? You can't call me Among Us. You always said Among Us. Stop Among Us. Get all the way. You pushed me too. Sorry. And now let's go to it with Among Us. Stay away before I am landing on your face. Okay. Alright. Now let's go, guys. What are you waiting for? They say good things then. Come on, Purple. I mean, Invincible Purple. Purple Invincible. I mean, alright. And that could quickly see if you do it live tomorrow. Could you be more? That's so. Oh, hi, Godfatis. What? Godfatis, you are my new friend? What? Behold, my new friend, Velveting. I mean, a new pig. Oink, oink. Oh, what's your name? Oink, oink. He can't talk because he is a classic one. Oink, 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 oink. His name, true name of him is Blons. Blons. Hi, Blons. Oink. You say hello. Has his Staten? Oink, 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 oink. Say let's go after them. Alright. Yeah, don't need four. Alright. Don't need four. Man, what's going on? King, help me. Let's keep at what they're doing. What? Oh, hi, birds. It's okay, only. I mean, long as a feature sorted is a good guys. Link. Oh, hi, Red. That's it. Alright, fine, King Pig. Who are you? You can call me Lord Pig. Lord Pig. Hi, Lord Pig. Dun dun dun. The big forehead. Have a chair. Hi, you there. Hey. Hey. As I say, dear fans, by the city doing at their current. Hey. Well, you guys are so terrifying. You're the set, or you can call me Blaze. You can call me Dumblebeak or Hello. You can call me Mommy. You can call me Broken. You can call me Venom. You can call me Ollie. You can call me Sappy Hot. Jake. You can call me. No, I know your name is Bubbles. Yes. And you can call him Terrace. A big violent. And what is this guy? Is blowing. It's a blowing that my new friend of all. But he can't talk. He's just oink 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 oink. He's always say oink 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 oink. Okay. First thing. Let's move on. The fridge. Let's get it. This is starter here. Take flies. And it's get rid of hot. It's a night. Elevator. And it's prepared to be nighting. By a turn. Nighting. Night. Big night. The night of legendary. And this is. Yeah. You not found either one. Alright? What do you gotta go and living theories? Are you to a bun? Yeah, that thing. Okay, Lord. Just please don't kidnap more eggs. Okay. Let's go. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oh, Jesus, of course. And now I am totally the choices. And the penalty does. Let's get a good word and get back to work. Right now. Oink, 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 oink. Let's start your help. Where do you think you're going? Thank you, Terrace. Okay, re-rising up dots. It's a dock. Head right up. What's going down by before? He knows us. No, there's no bed aside. Okay. No bed aside. No butter tin. No shopping in. No rounded. Right? Yes. Okay. Okay. This is good. Yay! Let's go, Chuck, before that's up. Okay. Let's going down, everyone. You take that with the water, right? And then, of course, my chef. And now, I just too bad iron. Which you're doing it. Everyone's going down. But didn't know what's gonna happen. Yeah. And now it's time to get to our plan. Yes, sir. Now let's go to the plan. Okay, we're finally here down. And we have no choice, son. And that says that your turn on. Do it, right? Alright, everyone's done. And I explode! Man, this is scared to turn around. My God. Shut up! There's no water. It's kid without toilet. What? What is it? Yeah. I can't get with our rest. Just try to shut up. And talk one time. This is. Okay, let's watch the oral movie of SpongeBob. It's cinema, but it is kicker horror. Okay, let's get a control here. And now the fan. Okay. Back. Okay. Fix things. Now one. And Blake. I can't find it. Where is him? Oh, there he is. Now let's go into the first. All first. Now let's have it other 3 team mode for it. Because maybe 20. 11. Let's go watch. Open for it. Everyone watch. Oink. Oh my. That's like Stranger Things. I don't know. shit! Stranger Things? What the?
Well, at least I still have my personality.
Coming soon. Oh no, it's gonna be. It's 5 oral trailers. It's gonna be scary so much. Hey! Oh. Okay. And banging alone wasn't the problem. What? Nailed? Mad Snail. Oh my god. This music is so nervous and sung with shadows. Mad Snails is see. Oh my god. Shit. What? Oh, no one is safe. Okay. Zombob SquarePants. And it's gonna be jump scare. Ah! Aha! Take care of that. So let's watch. Two fakes. The SpongeBob and that is Squid guy. And then she guy.
Do you think your machine could zap me over to the Krusty Krab? Always did want to try a critter. Hold on tight. Jason, the chef what's going on with this thing? What in tarnation?
Holy shit, the squid and then the SpongeBob. Squid, oink, Bob, oink, tentacle, oink, squid, tentacle pins, one, oh no, squid bomb, tentacle pins. Squid bomb tentacle pants? Oh, oh shit. For the cow's turn on the leaves. Oh man, SpongeBob's house is spelled. Oink! Oink! Oink, oink, oink! Shut up! Shut up, please! What the heck is happening, SpongeBob? And Mr. Krabs are right there! What the? What the hell? Always a doodle? Holy shit! Is everyone just sleeping to a hobbit? That SpongeBob is mad with the musical doodle. It's gonna be nightmare with the music doodle. Oh my god. More no? Shit. I don't know if it's gonna be come never or coming soon. The time, I think, says SpongeBob time pins, I think. Please. Future.
Just listen to me. I'm not supposed to be here. He's lying. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home.
a screen. Screen is asking time. The factory robot returned 3 minutes later. Alright, let's begin the song. So screening time.
Must close eyes. Too scary.
I can't hold your eyelids. They're too slippery. No!
The papers. A pencil.
It looks like a giant pencil.
Did you hear it all? Gal, what are you doing here?
Coming to life.
I am Shank. You without. Wanna have to paper SpongeBob paper pens? Oh, it's Patrick. This star thing is Patrick. Noodles. Need to pay is assassins. Oink 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 oink. Oink! Doodleball. There we go. There we go. And bubbles. Bubbles. Are you scared? No. How are you scared? I'm feeling you're scared. No. I am good. I am. Okay, I think it is. Let's watch another movies. Makes it better. Guys, try to protect yourself. Alright. What's that over there? Oh god. This is stupid. This is stupid. Is there a toilet on here? Is there a toilet? Their turn. Pig, ready to dance? Where I am right now. Is everything alone? Hello? Hey, Tesoro. What? Oh no, it can't be. Hey, wait, please, don't attack me, Huggy. No, I'm okay. But I have some help. If you do it off. The better that black with one eye is named Black Eye and need your help. But that he starts accusing me serious his teeth. But then this where he's gone. And another way. But you have to help me out in the 2 hours. Okay, Huggy? How do you figure this? I take your sweater? No. Her phones? No. I take you what this? Then? No. I don't know. Because it's a pet it is. Oh, what? Where's Kevin? He's gone. And if it turned out he's a fascinated mommy. Yeah, I know because he's bad. And he was told he can't be friend anymore. Yeah. Good. Figure this out. Third one on. So what we oh. In there. I don't know, you little idiot. It goes behind on your side like this. What's gonna happen right now? Oh no. Barker, what's going on? Barker? Barker? Barker! Hey, can you hear me? Barker! 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 No. His eyes is white. Maybe it's Vecna. It's a picture beside him. Don't know. Oh, it's falling up? I knew it! What's going on? Just what? If it's... You don't know what is going on. Oh! I hope it's his right. I think I can be signed on him. I can't be dead. Oh, wait, what's happened? Then the favorite music right now. We don't have a favorite music. Oh. What? What the? Hey, what's going on? Oh, wait, what's that noise? Gogoi is naked. Hey, I can't scare anymore. What a song is this? Bubbles. Other Turbo Agent. It's just... We didn't have one turn. Let's get have a time. I already had time. Hey, everyone. Everyone? Everyone. Statue. Okay, I have to do it. Everyone. Everyone. Ah! Jock, you're scary. Oh, sorry, Red. And no one is the big green toad. You're the petty disgusting. Well, we are Me too. What? So, what are you gonna is yet a new horse? I predicted that we might keep it alive. I have a little know what you have. Why you're anxious forever and that because I have one. Oh no! The egg! Of course. And I can hide it. And you were the one. Two faces. You think so. I prepared to shed another egg to complete all of and me. Is the line of Chef Pig. And he is not just your team like you, Pigs. It's because he has become a turtle has revenge. Oh no, what is happening to Chef Pig? It's because anything here at the dawn is ruining him. The zero turning the size is revenging. Now, these can be friends. And the figure it has a time. Later attacks. You first find and never ends. And now there's the turn. Then pretend make it now. You can. You have won this egg. You have to catch me first. Oh, everyone, follow them. Yeah. And now, ready to do you back. Behold the creature spelled in the battleground. And spell, I'd say. Warden? What he doing here? And where's he at? Is missing. And the creature kidnapped him. What is going on? What is this? Oh no, he's kidnapped the others. Just see with me now. Wait, little cat, you think cat up? It can't be again, you. Behold the Demogorgon. Demogorgon is supposed to be Demogorgon. But his true name is Demogorgon. Demogorgon eyes. His true name is Demogorgon. Yes, kidnap him. Kidnap him. It's just you and me, Park. It's time to you to the rally. You want this egg? You have to catch first. You have to catch the bug. I give find you and the Atlantis. Holy shit. The wall is between us. Let's get him. First, we have to get out of here. Hit the hut. Next, I don't know the others. And that's hers. I don't know Peter's hands. And then, let's stay weird. The old water high village has to resist. That is going down. Are you doing all these? Oh, the Brazil guy is a talk, but then up here. If it's good, the federal alright. And then the federal feature is is attacking us. Let's kill him like this. Shirts. Watch out the door. I best that. Oh, he's hugging. His power is super hugging. Oh, don't worry, I save you. I cut where those very. Oh, there's two picking and we're friends. Huh? Oh my god, that's it. It's so powerful. Please die. You do it to the water. You're saying. Oh, I use the power. Oh, phew. Thursday. Oh, door, doctor. Water scream. Invincible. Haha. I told you can't see. Hi, good work. What you do is what sin. I did not do suck to the hot fight. Matilda does not. What? Uh-oh. Yeah. Ha! I defeat them alone. I mean, together. Now let's try to find them at Peter Parker. This suspicious need to demograph this. Let's attack him. Toss. Oink! I usually say this. Among Us! He's dead again. Let's go find them, our friends. Let's go. Yeah. And now there's nothing can success. And now you did it. You're the fastest tail. You did it and beat that black guy.
Leaders, look greater, you idiot. Other idiot. Last time, I won't kill all of you. Easiness. So long.
We did it. Yes, we did it. Now, Angry Birds, let's go. And I have to go home too. And my home is under a Playtime Company. And then one thing. Merry Halloween for all. Thank you, Huggy Wuggy. Now let's go, birds. And level clear. Good think, Chuck. Now let's go home. Oh, it's not me. Let's go. Now, Oink, let's get the toy together. Yeah, Halloween. Let's sing it with the Toy Hunter in 3, 2, and 1, and go. Boom. The black guy is gone. You that. The birds ate. I gotta get another in this Christmas. Ow. What? Why are you two? Oh, hi, you Hafiz. Turtle guys. You fit it? I'm about to get away. In the top. Well, we're trying to kill them, but he's a starter or Hafiz. He's a starter, but we can't. I gotta figure this out by myself. The turtle starts. This, guys, is taking longer than I thought. It turns out, and now. He is great, and then to my will, you bust a new break. What about us? Continue.